So when you get this error, it actually means that you're trying to run a graphical user interface application on your Ubuntu WSL without the proper configuration. So I've actually configured my Ubuntu to be able to run graphical user interface applications, I've configured my Ubuntu WSL to be able to run applications that require the user interface. So this video I'm going to teach you how you can configure your Ubuntu to be able to run such kind of applications. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install an application called Xterm. This application requires the user interface, and you will see that after I have downloaded it, I will be able to run it, and a graphical user interface will pop up and it will run without any errors. So when I call the application Xterm, you can see here there's a pop-up and the application just runs fine. So to be able to run graphical user interface applications, download this software on your Windows host. There are other similar types of software that you will download. If you are having problems downloading, just tap problems downloading and you will get a direct download. So after downloading this application on your Windows host, go ahead and install it. Then after installing it, we will open our Ubuntu WSL and edit our bash RC file using nano. Then scroll down to the bottom of the file, then add this to the bottom of our bash RC file. So save changes using Ctrl+X, Y, and then enter. Then test to see if you are able to run any applications that require graphical user interface. If not, edit your bash RC file again, scroll down, then delete the entry that you have just put there, then add this, then save changes, then run to see if you are able to run your application that requires graphical user interface. So on Windows 11, this was not able to work on my Windows 10. On Windows 11, just open Microsoft Store and search WSLG. When you search the application, when you search WSLG, you will find an application that pops up. Download it and install it. Then open your Ubuntu. You should be able to run graphical user applications on your Windows 11 and your Windows 10 too. It was not able to work on my Windows 10. So I hope it will work on Windows 11.